Carrot Raisin Salad. We're about to whip up a dish that's full of flavor and fun. Let's start by preparing our ingredients. 3 cups shredded carrots, about 4 or 5 medium carrots, half cup raisins, golden or regular, quarter cup crushed pineapple, drained, optional, for extra sweetness, half cup mayonnaise or Greek yogurt for a lighter version, 1 tablespoon honey or sugar, adjust to taste, 1 tablespoon lemon juice or apple cider vinegar, pinch of salt. Here we go. Let's get started. From start to finish will take about 10 minutes. 1. In a large bowl, combine the shredded carrots, raisins, and pineapple, if using. 2. In a separate bowl, whisk together the mayonnaise, honey, lemon juice, and a pinch of salt. 3. Pour the dressing over the carrot mixture and toss well to coat. 4. For best flavor, refrigerate for 30 minutes before serving. 5. Serve chilled and enjoy. Little tricks that make a big difference. 1. Add chopped walnuts or pecans for crunch. 2. Swap lemon juice with orange juice for a fruitier kick. For more tasty recipes, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a bite. See you next time. Enjoy your meal